Now the FOIL method we do first, and then we'll move on to the grid. It doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as you get the right answer. So you do whichever makes you feel the most comfortable. I prefer the FOIL method. However, my son prefers the grid method. So let's begin. So you know that brackets mean to multiply. Okay, that's our first step. So we're going to times these first. Well, x times x is x squared. We know it's a plus. So x, move over to the next one in the bracket, x times 3 plus 3x plus, moving on to this one, go over, 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, now we're going to collect our like terms to simplify it. So there is no other x squared. There's 1 3x, 1 2x, which equals 5x, and one number, which is 6. Just a quick side note, you put the bigger numbers or letters at the front, okay? So x squared, and then 5x, and then 6, okay? And that's your answer. That's how I prefer it. So we could do it this way. The first bracket is x plus 2. So that goes across. And the second bracket is x plus 3. X plus 3. Okay? So we are timesing, this is how it will multiply, we are timesing these across. So x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 2 is 6. Using the same principle, x squared plus 2x, go across and down, plus 3x plus 6, simplify it by collecting like terms, equals 5x plus 6. So as you can see, we get the same answer. So you do whichever way makes you feel comfortable. Let's try another one. So let's do the FOIL first. So that's m times n is m squared. M times 4 plus, because it's a plus, 4m plus over 3 times n is 3m plus 3 times 4 is 12. Simplify it, collect like terms. 4m plus 3m is 7m plus 12 on its own. M squared at the front. Nice and neat. Same to grid. First bracket, m plus 3. Second bracket, m plus 4. So n times m is m squared. M times 3 is 3m. 4 times m is 4m. 4 times 3 is 12. Put it all together using the same principle. So it's m squared plus 3m plus 4m plus 12. Collect like terms and simplify. M squared plus 7m plus 12. Sucker the same answer. Pause at any time this video if you want to have a go at any of these yourself. For example, you could move on now and do this one yourself. I've just put in the same numbers, I've just done different letters just for you to get the hang of it. So if you want to pause the video now, have a go at this one, and then run through it and mark your own works of success. So again, we've got y times y is y squared. Y times 3 is plus 3y over 2 times y is 2y plus 2 times 3 is 6. Collect like terms, simplify, tidy it up. Y squared plus 5y plus 6. There we go. As I said, this is the way I prefer it, but you choose what you feel comfortable with. So first bracket is here, y plus 2, and y plus 3. So we know it's a times. Y times y is y squared. 2 times y is 2y. 3 times y is 3y. And 3 times 2 is 6. Put it all together. So it's going to be y squared plus 2y plus 3y plus 6. Collect like terms and simplify. There you go. How did you get on? I know it's the same as that one, but practice makes perfect. So this one in pink is harder. It's got a little bit more to it. Try it if you can. If not, it doesn't matter. I thought I'd mix it up a bit. So it's all negatives, okay? So what you need to do is, as usual, 2p times p is 2p squared, okay? 2p squared. Now let's go over to here. A bit more simpler, 2p times minus 5 is negative 10p. Let's go over. Minus 3 times p is minus 3p. Minus 3 times minus 5 equals plus 15. If you're doing at this level solving double brackets, you would know that times a negative equals a plus, okay? And that's what we've just done there. Minus 3 times minus 5 equals plus 15. So now let's simplify it, tidy it up. This is the biggest number we've got here. And then we've got minus 10p minus 3p, which comes to minus 13p plus 15. And that is the answer. Once again, to the grid, this is 2p minus 3 and p minus 5. P times 2p is 2p squared. P times minus 3 is minus 3p. Minus 5 times 2p is minus 10p. And minus 5 times minus 3 is plus 15. Tidy it up. 2p squared minus 3p minus 10p plus 15. Tidy it up. Collect like terms, so that becomes minus 13p plus 15. Exactly the same answer. So you choose which method suits you the best. I do hope this helps because it can get a bit tricky, algebra, but just keep watching the video, keep testing yourself. You'll be fine.